Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a .36 cord. This is a pretty cool color already. I'm not really wild about these ghost flames on the top of it, but color is pretty standard for the time. But I like this casting a lot, so we're going to modify it and turn it into something special. So let's get started. Okay, we went ahead and drilled it and stripped it, and we've got this to work with. Part, got the fender part, windshield, interior, and the base. Okay, we'll take this to the paint shop and be right back. We're back from the paint shop. Came out pretty good. Got the other part of it, the fender. Doesn't look too bad. So we'll just go ahead and put it back together. I was debating whether to paint these fenders white, but I didn't have any white paint. So I'll have to do that later at some other point. Okay, let's put it back together. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a little washer on the end of this screw. It wasn't cinching down quite tight enough, so I put a little washer on there to help it cinch down to where the fender isn't loose. There we go. Yeah, see, that makes that fender really tight. Before I used a washer, this thing was wobbly. Now it's real tight. That's good. We started with this. And we finished with this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Be sure to click the little bell for future notifications. Appreciate your comments. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. we'll catch you on the next video. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later. Take care. Also, I would like to thank everybody for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I hit that mark yesterday, and I'm just still can't believe it. Never thought I would ever have that many subscribers. So I really appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. And it's a lot of hard work. And thanks, guys. I appreciate it. We'll see you later.